Hi, this is a review of the Karcher WD 2 vacuum cleaner. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Excellent machine. So you can see that this is the main pipe that breaks down there. You can store it onto here or down here if you're moving it around, and then it comes with this extension here as well, which is very handy for sucking up sort of water, etc. So plugged in, it provides excellent vacuuming, and also you can unplug the vacuuming pipe, and you can go around the back and you can plug in to the back where it will provide a blowing facility. So if you're in the garden, it will blow the leaves away with great gusto. I use it for cleaning vacuuming my car all the time, and it really is highly recommended. Just one moment. It's really a great little vacuum cleaner. If I take this off, just to show you, I can put that there, and unplug it. You just take off these two, lift it off, and you then have your bag to change there, which is very simple, very effective. And you take that bag out if you're going to clean it, if you're going to suck up water, and then it just turns it into a bucket, and you pour it away. It's very, very light, as you can see, and easy to clean. Locks in, that's it, and it's just a really well worth machine. I can't recommend it enough. Plug it in the front here for the vacuuming part of it, and this obviously breaks down as well, so you've got an extension, and then you can extend it here as well. So it really is an excellent machine. I always just keep it on there, or actually on here, and I leave this one up here. So Karcher WD 2 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I can't recommend it enough. It really is an excellent machine, and there it is. It only weighs a few pounds, so easy for anyone to carry. Enjoy. See my link to buy it on Amazon at the bottom if you like this video. Sorry, it's a bit disjuncted. I'm using a new gimbal for my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.